Hi, welcome to my channel. My name's Eric. In today's episode, I'll be teaching how to automate your copy-paste method, what you learned in the previous episode. Let's get started.
Okay, let's start off with a new subroutine. We'll call it getFile. Then we're going to declare some variables. The first one will be file as string. Next, we're going to declare some workbooks. So source WB as workbook and the destination WB as the workbook. Next, we're going to declare some ranges. So source as range and dest as range. Then we're going to set the destination workbook equals this workbook. Next, we're going to do file equals application dot get open file name. We're going to open bracket, quotes, file filter, and we're going to do colon equals in bracket Excel files. Then we're going to open the bracket, asterisk dot XLS, asterisk, close the bracket, comma. We can do another asterisk dot XLS again, and then close your asterisk, quotes, comma. We're going to do a title. So the title meaning when you open the pop-up box, it'll be name of the title. So we're going to name it select file. Then we're going to do if file equals false, meaning there's no file, then we're going to exit the subroutine. Next, we're going to set the source workbook equals workbooks.open in brackets file. Then we're going to set the source range as source workbook dot worksheets in brackets the name of the sheet, so it's sheet 1 in this case. Then we're going to do range A1. Then we're going to do dot current region, so anything in that range will be selected. Then we're going to set the destination source as dest workbook dot worksheets, and then the sheet name sheet 1 close bracket dot range A1. Again, we don't need current region, we're just going to paste it starting in range A1. Then we're going to do destination workbook dot activate. Then we're going to do dest dot resize in bracket source dot rows dot count. Then we're going to do comma source dot columns dot count. And we're going to close the bracket dot value equals source dot value. Now we're going to close the source workbook by typing source wb dot close. Now I'm just going to make the workbook bigger, and then when we hit F5 or the green play button, it's going to ask you for the file, then it'll transfer everything over.
Hey, thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my channel for more episodes. See you next time.